Welcome to TaxBandits, an IRS-authorized, compliance-driven e-file solution. Form 1095-C is an IRS information return used by applicable large employers to report details about the health insurance coverage offered to full-time employees during the tax year. It includes information about the type of coverage offered, employee eligibility and enrollment, and helps the IRS administer and enforce the employer shared responsibility provisions under the Affordable Care Act. TaxBandits provides a secure, self-service e-filing platform that enables employers, businesses, and tax professionals to prepare, review, and file Form 1095-C accurately and on time. To begin filing Form 1095-C, navigate to your ACA dashboard. Click Start Filing next to the applicable employer, or select Start New and choose 1095-C. TaxBandits supports filing for the current tax year as well as up to 3 prior tax years. Select the appropriate tax year and click File Form 1095-C. Next, choose the employer from your address book or click Add Employer to enter details manually. You can file your 1095-C forms as a single submission or in multiple separate submissions depending on your organization's workflow. Enter the total number of 1095-C forms you intend to file for the selected business for the 2025 tax year, then proceed to complete Form 1095-C. To import employee data in bulk, begin by selecting Bulk Import at the top of the form. In Step 1, you will see the employer details displayed. These details are automatically populated based on the selections you've made at the start of your filing. If any information needs to be updated, you can click Edit to make the necessary changes before continuing. Next, download the standard import template provided. This template is designed to help you enter employee information in the correct format. Follow the instructions within the template to complete the required fields for each employee. Once all data has been entered, save the file to your computer. After saving the completed template, upload the file using the Upload option provided on the screen. Click Continue to process the file. The system then displays a preview of your uploaded records, allowing you to review how the data has been mapped to the corresponding form fields. Proceed to the next step to process your forms. You will see a summary of the employees imported from your file. If the system detects any issues, they will appear in the Errors tab, where you can review the details and make corrections to the file as needed. Once any errors have been resolved, or if no errors are found, you can click Continue to process. Finally, you will be presented with a summary of the Form 1095-C records ready to be filed. Take a moment to review the information carefully to ensure accuracy. For additional verification, you may also export draft copies of the forms as PDF or Excel files before proceeding with the filing process. After all 1095-C forms have been added, click Continue to Form 1094-C. Form 1094-C serves as a transmittal form and must be submitted with your 1095-C forms. Click Complete Form 1094-C. Much of the form will auto-populate based on your completed 1095-C entries. Complete Parts 1, 2, and 3, carefully verifying totals, aggregated ALE group information if applicable, and monthly employee counts for accuracy. When finalized, proceed to state filing if required. If no state filing is needed, continue to Form Distribution, where you can select how recipient copies will be delivered, including postal mailing. Next, review your forms. TaxBandits performs an internal error check to identify missing or inconsistent information before transmission. Once your forms pass review, proceed to the filing summary and check out. To complete your order, acknowledge the credit card usage authorization, then select Pay and Transmit to submit payment and transmit your filing. Upon successful processing, your forms will be securely transmitted to the IRS. For a streamlined, secure, and IRS-authorized approach to Form 1095-C compliance, filing, and distribution, visit TaxBandits.com.